Hi, I'm Steve Walton from PatioHeat.com, and today we're going to take a look at the assembly of a portable natural gas Sunglo patio heater. A unit close-up look will be spun aluminum reflector, all 304 grade stainless steel emitter grid, heater head, post, and base. An accessory would be the 12-foot quick disconnect natural gas portable hose. A quick look at the packaging, you'll see base box, post box, heater head box, and the reflector box. Some of the simple tools we'll be using from left to right will be pipe wrench, channel locks, a couple of adjustable wrenches, a knife, a Phillips screwdriver, some Teflon tape, and the owner's manual. Okay, after unboxing, you're going to see you have your internal pipe, your post, your base, reflector, and heater head. All the hardware you need is included, which consists of the nipple and pipe fitting, a 3/8" bolt, a couple of washers, nut, acorn nut, 4 machine screws, and a optional use floor clamp kit. Page 13 reveals the instructions on the assembly. Here you see our hookup kit, which consists of a 12-foot long stainless spun wound polyurethane coated hose, crimped on brass fittings, a shutoff valve with quick disconnect incorporated, and also a brass fitting for the heater to the hose connection. We'll begin by installing our post into the base. We're going to take our 3/8" bolt, put a washer on it, another washer, a nut. Once it's tight enough, you'll install your finishing acorn nut, and that's just a decorative component. Next, we will install our gas pipe into the bottom of the heater head. I like to align the 1/2" elbow on the bottom so that it's facing the same direction as your ignition module. Here's a closer look. You have an ignition module on this side, and then your 1/2" nipple is facing the same direction. Okay, next we will install the pipe into the post. And align the holes up here, and then also check to make sure that your hole for your pipe is aligned. You may have to remove this, readjust it, put it back in to make sure your alignment is set. Again, your ignition module and the 1/2" elbow, if they're both facing the same direction, you'll get this alignment just fine. Next, I will install the 1/2" nipple with fitting included onto the bottom of the post where the gas connection is. You may require a friend to align this up and kind of hold the heater head up top as you thread this fitting on and tighten. Once that is tight, we'll install our 4 self-tapping stainless steel screws. Now I'm using an impact driver. You could use a screwdriver. Next, we'll install our brass fitting that came with the hose kit. And of course our hose. The hose has a compressed fitting, so there is no need for Teflon or pipe sealant on that fitting. And finally, what may be considered the most difficult part is to remove the 3 wing nuts on top. And also 3 of the 6 washers that is also included. Take your reflector and place it on the 3 studs located at the top. And then install 3 washers and then the 3 wing nuts. Now that you've seen just how simple it is to assemble a Sunglo model A242 natural gas portable patio heater, let's look at a couple of the key features. Number 1, we have the 12-foot long quick disconnect, which allows you to hook it up to your house gas. This gives you an endless supply of fuel during operation. Also, the quick connect feature is similar to a air hose at a gas station, you might say. It has a snap-on fitting. The hose connects in here, and it's got a positive seal so that the hose has to be fully engaged in order for the fuel to be let out. The heater head itself has a 100% safety feature in that you light a pilot. If that pilot isn't lit at all times, then the heater will shut off its gas to the heater head completely. This ensures that your unit is burning correctly at all times and or the gas is shut off completely. On top, we looked at the wing nuts. Those wing nuts allow you to easily remove the reflector so you can have a tighter space for storage. Well, I hope you found this information to be useful. We're here to help you with all of your outdoor heating needs. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out our other social media with a link down below. Thank you and have a great day.